Hi everyone, this is just a quick video on one of the ways in which you can speed up use of the laptop in the classroom. So one of the things that a lot of people have been asking about is, or have been telling me that they will be using the tablet for, is for internet use, YouTube, things like that. So I'm going to show you how you can make that a bit faster when you're actually in class. So I'm just going to use, just down here at the bottom, I have Google Chrome, so I'm just going to launch that. Yours might be Microsoft Edge as well, which is fine. So this is the opening page for Google, and you can see up here, so basically what I'm going to be talking about is bookmarks. A lot of you will know what bookmarks are already. So if you do, that's fine. Just in case you don't know how the bookmarks work, this video will explain. So you can see up here, I have a number of different websites that I already have saved on this bookmark bar. And this may or may not appear for you. If it doesn't, you just move over to the corner here. You see these three dots, and you'll see bookmarks here is one of the options, and it'll say show bookmarks bar, which is what you can see there. It's ticked. So that's what I've done. So this bar here, this is a bookmark bar just here, will always appear. And it'll have all the websites that I use on a regular basis lined up. So for example, that's the examinations.ie one. So I just click that. So you can see I don't need to type it. There's YouTube, which is just there. And again, I don't need to waste time typing it. There's Twitter, which I would, as you can see, spend a lot of time on the school Twitter. And the Rochestown business page, which I spend a lot of time on as well. So it just makes it a bit quicker if you can click these buttons rather than having to type it every time, and sometimes you might mistype it and things like that. So how do you do it? So I'm just going to choose the examinations.ie page here for a second, because an awful lot of people would use this for marking schemes and so on. So you can see the address up here. So all you just simply do is you go to right to the very, very beginning of the address bar, and you can see the little lock. There won't always be a lock there. It's just whatever the first thing is on the bar, and I'm just going to click that and drag it down onto the actual bookmark bar here, and you can see it's there. Now, in case you're wondering what's the difference between this one and the one I've just done here, that just has a symbol over here, if you want to change the wording of it, so instead of saying State Examinations Commission, I've just put the symbol in over here because I don't want it to take up too much space in the bar. I know what that symbol means. I know it's the State Examinations Commission website. So I don't need it to say State Examinations Commission. If you want, you can leave it there. But you can, if you right click on that, you can click edit. And that's the part here that will appear on your bookmark bar up on top. That's what it says. If you don't want it to say anything, you just simply delete all of that, and you'll notice what the change it'll do above. The wording disappears, but the symbol stays there, so that will still be there for me. You can do the same thing with all the rest of these. That's the school website there, for example, which is quite a hard one to type because it's quite long. I just called it St. Francis College SFR. So that's just a little, I suppose, tip on how to kind of make using the internet a little bit faster in your class by having bookmarks and being able to just click the bookmarks rather than having to type them out.